What's going on, y'all? It's your girl Lazy Eye, and I am back again. I know, I like the one time I have up a background and I put on the most contrasting shirt, but y'all forgive me. I ain't got no makeup on, no nothing. I'm just been chilling. Today is January 30th. It was a record of -44 today, so I've been at the crib. I've been at the crib, minding my business. The only time I went out today was go to the dentist. Only because my dentist be booked and busy. Be so hard to get into my dentist, so I ain't no choice. But other than that, we've been inside, sis. -44. Hence, that's why my hair is like in twists. Just been chilling. But I did want to get on here really quickly and unbox Crayon case. Y'all know I just did the review on the new Rule Crayon case palette. I got a pretty good response about the Crayon case. I know a lot of people are kind of curious about the Crayon case because it's super, let me make sure. What's up, Super? Okay, that's the owner. A lot of people are kind of curious, like, what is it about? So I went as a birthday gift to myself. Yes, I buy myself birthday gifts because you got to take care of you. You busy taking care of everybody else, take care of you. I'm just saying. But I kind of went a little ham because I had missed a lot of her stuff. Like when the Crayon case, box of crayons palette first came out, I missed all of that. So I just had to, you know, just kind of get it together. So this came, today's Wednesday. This came Monday. The shipping was super quick. So I was super geeked about that. What's this? Okay, so this is what comes in a box in case you need to return anything. This is what you would just fill out if you need, like, if anything came broken or anything like that. So, this is what the inside looks like. Super chic, super cute. And you know, like, their whole theme is like back to school kind of vibes. And let me just show y'all. So like you get the little paper. Like I said, I kind of went ham just a little bit. So we're gonna kind of just work through this piece by piece. So Crayon case just dropped highlighters. And I thought they were like the cutest thing ever, because get it, like a highlight, like you use concealer to highlight and it's like a highlighter. It was the cutest. Like, I live for their packaging. Like, I love stuff like this. So I got two of the highlighters. They were $5 a piece. This is shade 7 and this is shade 5. There will be reviews. This is just the unboxing, but we're definitely going to test these out. Don't trip. It's going to be a full, well, almost a full face of Crayon case. But yeah, we're going to try these out. But I just thought these were like, I'm like trying to hold the box and everything. I thought these were so cute. And like each different concealer has like a different color. So it's like super cute. I don't know, y'all. I just love little stuff like that. Like, judge me kindly. And then I got the color switch. She has her own. This is just a brush cleaner. So this is like really good for us that do like YouTube, or for people who just ain't got time to be cleaning brushes all the time. You just swirl your brush in here and boop, it's clean. So I just definitely had to get that because I was trying to get that for Black Friday, but I told y'all she sold out on Black Friday in like an hour and made like $1 million. Like, it was insane. Literally insane to see her, like the amount of support she got. But she really deserves it. She's like, her company has come a long way. They're really good about it. So I don't have no problems with them. Oh, the brush cleaner was $5. So far I only spent $15. I know y'all be clocking it. So this is literally my best friend's Brittany's fault, because we were all chilling and like we were looking at something and she pulled out her mirror, like her compact mirror that's in her purse. And I'm just like, sis, what is that? Like, this ain't your normal compact mirror. And it's not. Like, look at this. Look, we're just gonna act like that didn't drop. Like, this is the mirror, and look, it's like a ring. This is so cute. And then this says Crayon case. This was $7. I just thought it was super adorable because I am someone who's like on the go and like needs to check in the mirror. I just thought that was really, really cute. And here's like the velour pouch that it comes in. So like nothing gets scratched up. So it was only $7, totally worth it, because once I seen that she had it, I needed it. Even though it's pink, I needed it. I need it. So we're gonna get into this. Is this the most recent palette? This is the most recent palette. So this is this came out before. So basically, I'm gonna just have to show y'all like the whole saga. Like, let me just show y'all so I can explain it so it makes sense. So she just came out with the math book. So obviously it's like a play on the math book, and it's so cute. Like, I just love her whole thing. Like, a lot of people are like, oh my gosh, Beauty Bakery has like the cutest thing. Like, no, Crayon Case has the cutest thing ever, because everything's like back to school and it's super cute. So here's the back of it, and the back just has the ingredients on it and where it comes from, which is New Orleans. It's made in China, but it's based in the US. So for those of you that might not like how all their little stuff comes with sleeves, so cute. So this is the actual palette, the same as the thing, and I love how she puts like the website at the bottom. And then we're just gonna open this up. Oh, it literally looks just like the picture. So of course you get like your little sleeve, and then this is your math book. Your math book. Oh, it's so cute. And then, so just so y'all can see the colors really good. I love it. Like, I feel like this is what Morphe was trying to do, what James Charles was trying to do, honey. But I just feel like this is more like women of color friendly. Like, these transition shades, these are going to work for more people who have melanin or just darker in general. These are going to work better for them. And I just really I like how it's laid out. I like how it's like a little book. Like, I just like it. And the matte book was $25. So not breaking the bank, but yes, I really like this. I will be back to do a tutorial. I think I'm feeling like some green vibes we'll probably do, because I haven't done a green look in a long, have I ever done a green look on my channel other than St. Patrick's? No. So either we'll be playing on this end. And of course, all these shadows are matte, all of them, which I think is really cool. Like, anybody can come out with these shimmery rainbow colors. Like, that's cool, sis, but what am I finna pair with that? Like, I need matte rainbow colors, and that's what the matte book is. So I thought it was just once again a really genius take on things. Like, Super Sense just be coming up with some things. And then the last thing in the box, my dog is looking at me like, girl, you just done woke me up out of my nap, and I appreciate it. Sorry. So here's what she's known for. And I like how everything is bubble wrap. They really took the time to make sure nothing was going to break coming from New Orleans to Chicago. This is the infamous palette. This is what took off for the Crayon Case. So the box of crayons, and this is not Crayola. This is like her vibe. Like, not copied, nothing like that. Here is the back. And we'll go ahead and open it up. This one has like double. So here's the actual palette. Looks just like the box, and we'll go ahead and open this up. Oh, it's a big mirror. Y'all see that? It's a big mirror. This one has the plastic sheet as always, and we also have like the names. So this is what this one's looking like. Big stupid pan size. Like, let's see, this one is a shimmer. This dark blue, this orange is a shimmer. This pink is a shimmer. This white is a shimmer. This purple, this blue, this silver, this gold, this purple. All of these right here, from here to here, those are all shimmers, including this one up here. The rest are mattes. So I think it was really genius. Since this is her fresh palette she came out with, it was really genius to do a mix of shimmers and mattes. But I think it's even better now that she's come out with the matte book that I just showed you guys, because now you can take this baby blue shimmer and pair it with the matte baby blue. Like, now you can kind of coordinate and do some things. So we're definitely going to be trying this out. Let's call it my name, this lime green right here. You got to blacken this one because in the matte book, I think it's just like a charcoal black or a really dark brown. So I just like how her products, they just make sense. Like they go together. You can tell like she had a whole vision when she sat down and came up this, which I think is just a genius idea. Like I know a lot of people, I like beauty bakery too, but when it comes to like themes and packaging and who has like the cutest packaging, to me, hands down, the Crayon case gets it. Like it's so cute, so cute. Like from the moment I seen it, I was just like, I need it. So the matte book, the one I just showed, was $25, and the box of crayons is $30. So all together, it came to 77 bucks, and then plus shipping, which is not bad. You think about it, you got 2 palettes, you got 2 concealers, a brush cleanser, and a little mirror. So I think that's pretty decent considering. So I'll show you how the palettes go. So this is the first one. This is the second one, and the matte book is the newest one. So I'm really liking it. I think it's really cool. I'm really excited. I definitely will be back to do, like I said, a dedicated tutorial to the matte book, because I'm gonna use the matte book and the box of crayons together. I feel like it only makes sense that way, because then I can use the shimmers and the mattes. And then of course we'll go ahead and check out the highlighters. There you go, you can see it. Check out the highlighters and see how those go. But yeah, I just wanted to come in and show you guys what I ordered from the Crayon case. I will have their website listed down below in case you want to go ahead and check out the things for yourself. There's way more stuff on the website. I mean, everything you can think of is basically on there. Only thing she doesn't have is foundation, but she has brushes. She has liquid eyeliners, eyeshadow base, setting powders. So there's a ton of stuff on there. I'll definitely leave it down below. Be sure to check it out. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We did hit 200 subscribers. We did. Shout out to y'all. Y'all the best. We're actually over 200 subscribers, so we're just gonna keep pushing and keep growing. Thank you guys for always tuning in, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.